a train. Millions of people living as foes. Metal wounds, not screaming. Who and what's to blame? Going off the rails on a crazy train. I think I'm ready to plant the campfire this year.
I think you should try playing a little bit quieter.
A little quieter? Alright. Metal wounds and a healing. Who and was
Okay, a little bit more quiet.
Who and was to blame?
Just take your hand off. Thank you. Man, it sounds so much better.
Sovin's my friend and all, but whenever I'm around him, he tries to make it feel like I'm pathetic. I'm not pathetic.
Jacob. Where to begin?
This is how it's done.
It's awesome hanging out with him. I mean, I get to make fun of him and destroy him at everything.
Gonna get you!
Gives me such happiness and joy.
You know, basketball's my sport. You may not have known this, but I'm actually the son of Michael Jordan and Stephen Curry. And LeBron James and Kobe Bryant. Oh! Oh yeah! So close.
You do realize you'd be adopted, right?
Okay, thanks. Adopted? Why would I be adopted?
Dude, all 4 of them are guys.
You don't know that. Alright, come at me, bro. Oh! Oh!
Right! That piece of sad trash. Man, Jacob's a loser. He can't even play basketball right, and he has to lie to...
Foul, my ball.
He's like a Sasquatch dribbling a watermelon.
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
Sovin thinks he is what it's all about. It's all about him. Yeah, right. But what he doesn't know is I've learned some family tricks. That's right, I learned that in Nepal. He may be more athletic than me, but he's definitely not as intelligent. Can beat all of you. Look at this. Yeah. That's how it's done.
Technically, it didn't go through yet.
Ah! Now, I was totally beating Sovin, but I don't know. I just started getting lucky or something.
You're so trash, I don't even have to guard you, man.
Really? Really? Guard this! Ah! But there's no way it could beat my intelligent, precise, thoughtful skills. I'm just too intelligent. Oh, who left the crust on the starburst? Frick! I don't know how it happened. Sovin was beating me and I had superior basketball skills. Why does he always win? What does he think he's good for? Just winning? You know, you don't always have to win. But I always win. Wait. Wait. Wait, wait. First try. This is how you really shoot. This is what's gonna get. This is a check. Bye. I can solve any problem peacefully. That's it! That's it! I'm boycotting basketball! So I'm like Gandhi Luther King Jr. Sovin may have won the basketball, but tomorrow there's still hope. There's still hope. Tomorrow. Still hope tomorrow. Tomorrow is the popsicle stick boat regatta, where the entire camp groups up and races popsicle stick boats. This is my chance for redemption. There's still hope tomorrow. There's still hope tomorrow. Tomorrow there's still hope. Hope tomorrow. Hope tomorrow.